Good afternoon, Perry parents. Here is our PowerPoint slide presentation for our first virtual open house. If you have a chance to go through this tonight, we will have a link on our Schoology page, and will also be posted on our Perry webpage on the district webpage. So feel free to go through each slide. It explains the scheduling, it explains social distancing and the health and safety of all. It explains the protocols for attendance and just to welcome you. And we hope that you have a great evening tonight with us during our virtual open house, which will begin at 3:15, where you get to see and meet your teachers via Zoom. So thank you, and I hope you see everything. And if you have any questions, please feel free to call our school at 874-6485 and ask for Mr. Eubank or Mr. Godowski, my assistant principal. Thank you,